Imagine a place where you can win cash for hunting snakes, lots of snakes. You're about to enter a world where the line between hunter and conservationist is blurred. The Florida Python Challenge is a real thing, and it's gaining traction. You might have heard of it, but do you know what it's all about? Let's dive in. The Everglades, a unique ecosystem in Florida, is facing a major threat. Invasive species, particularly Burmese pythons, are taking over. These snakes are native to Southeast Asia, but they've found a new home in the Everglades. They're breeding, and their population is growing fast. You might be wondering, how did they get here? It's a story of pet owners and a Category 5 hurricane. In 1992, Hurricane Andrew hit southern Florida, destroying an exotic pet factory. The result? Hundreds of snakes were released into the wild. Now, the pythons are everywhere, and they're causing major damage to the ecosystem. They're eating native animals, from birds to deer. The problem's so big that the state of Florida had to step in.